Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some items that I picked up from my local Goodwill store. They are really good around here, especially in the Atlanta area, and I found some great stuff. It's not a huge haul by any means, but what I thought I would do is share with you some of the items that I'm going to use literally as is, and then some other items that I'm going to use for DIY projects. And I thought it would be fun if I shared the DIY projects with you, or the potential DIY projects with you, and then get your thoughts on what I should do with them. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments below when we get to the DIY ideas, and for the ideas that I'm just gonna, the items I'm just gonna use straight from the store. I found some fantastic stuff. And before I get into that, I do, of course, want to say thank you to my subscribers. You guys know who you are. I call my long-termers my OGs. That just means my original gang. Thank you guys so much for being here. It's really appreciated. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, maybe checking it out even for the first time, thank you. Hopefully you'll become a subscriber and stick around. And then if you happen to be recommended by YouTube to check out this video, and you did, thank you. Hopefully you'll become a subscriber as well. So all of the items I'm going to share with you are from Goodwill. I've got one in my hand, and then just a few items in this bag here. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing I grabbed, and I'm so happy that I grabbed this, it's this gorgeous hand-painted vase. Now, I don't know if this is when you touch it, it feels like somebody painted it. It definitely feels like somebody painted it. The bottom is not finished. The inside is the same color as this, so I'm wondering if maybe it was a light blue vase and then somebody hand painted this on there, or who knows, maybe I've got a Picasso or something that I found here. But I love the way that this looks, and this is going to be gorgeous on my mantle. It's going to give me a great pop of color, and I am really excited about it. This was $6.99. This was $6.99. I'm trying to remember what the color of the day was, because I did get a couple items that were the color of the day. By the way, that vase, I'm not doing anything to it. I'm literally leaving it just like it is. I'm gonna put maybe some olive branches or something, maybe put it up on the mantle, and just enjoy it. The next thing I grabbed, this is definitely gonna be a DIY item. And so let me see, that color was green, I think. Yeah, that one was green. So I know I only had one color of the day. Oh, the color of the day was red. So, okay, I'll remember. The next thing I grabbed, this is going to be a DIY item. It was $2.99, and it kind of reminds me of like a fishing tackle box. I really thought that this was super cute. I'm going to take this tag off of here now so I can actually open it. And, it's got like the chicken wire on it. Maybe it's like an egg basket, actually. But I don't know, it gave me tackle box vibes, and I thought that this could be really fun for a DIY. I was thinking, definitely you could put florals in it, you could twine stuff around it, you could wrap it, you could spray paint it, but I'm not really sure what I want to do with it, to be honest. By the way, I've got the sun coming in the front window here, so my glasses are all oh, there's Otis. Hi, buddy. Hi, Otis. Hi. There's Otis, everybody. He's been popping in a lot lately. I know you guys have been missing him. So anyway, let me know what you think I should do with this. I think it'd be really cute in the kitchen to even put K-cups in there. That would be amazing. Actually, that would hold a lot of K-cups. So I don't know. What are your thoughts? What would you do with this if you had it? The other thing that I grabbed, and this is going to be something that I'm going to use just as is, was this great easel. And it's on this stand, and you just tighten these guys, and that's how it'll stand up. And then when you remove the price tag, this, by the way, was $2.99. Not sure if I shared the price of the egg basket tackle box thing, $2.99, and then the vase was $6.99. But loved this, and I have a painting that my sister actually did of Mr. Otis that I am going to put here in my living room, and then you just kind of loosen this thing. I made sure everything worked before I left. And then that holds your canvas. Now, I'm gonna use it, as I said, to display something on, probably on this bookshelf here, that my sister gave me that's very special to me. But, I mean, I do have canvases, and I do have, you know, paints and things that I could very easily make this into a functional, usable item as well. So I may just kind of, you know, give it a rub down with some mineral oil or something like that, just to kind of bring the wood color back out. But other than that, that one is staying exactly how it is. Now, the other thing that I grabbed, I loved these. These were the color of the day. These were $3 each. Kind of thought that they should have been priced as a set, but they were priced $3 each, so $2.99 each. So I ended up getting them for, so it would have been $6. I got them, math. I got them for $3, and they're these really cool mid-century candlestick holders. And again, I think that this is so cool. They have, this guy is a little loose, but I think he can be fine. And I'm probably just going to, again, take some mineral wood or mineral oil and just, that's Otis in the background, by the way, making that noise if you hear it. And use these probably next to the painting above the mantle. I have to figure that whole situation out because I have a lot of stuff on the mantle, so I don't know if this would be too much clutter. But if it is too much clutter, I can always add something else to it. So not worried about that at all. And then the other two items that I grabbed, oh, I had two red colors of the day. And I may have to jump off here real quick because I think my landscaping guy just showed up. All right, the other thing that I grabbed, this is going to be a DIY project for sure. I had this great cutting board, and this cutting board was $1.99. This will be used for a DIY for sure. I'm thinking a stencil, maybe some, you know, like, what is it? The pens, the scorch pens, or stencil, something for Cricut, something for fall. It's a great size for a serving tray. There's a lot of really cool options for this one. So that one is something that's going to be a DIY project for sure. And then this one I'm not sure about, to be honest. This was also red, so it was $2.99 regular price. So it was $1.50. And this great tray, this great wicker tray. This is perfect size for my coffee table. So it very well just might hold a candle with some lamb's ear or something. That's probably what I'll end up doing with it. And then again, a great tray. So that is my haul. Hopefully you guys think that everything is really cool. I'm gonna show you how I styled some of this stuff now. And I would love to hear your comments and thoughts below on the egg basket / tackle box thing and this great cutting board, and then the other things I'm going to be styling and hanging up in my house for you. So yeah, let's get started on that. For that blue vase, I simply added it to my fireplace mantle, and then also added in some of these olive branches that I picked up the last time I went to Walmart. For my painting of Mr. Otis, I put that on the easel and just simply added that next to the television on the entertainment center. I really love this painting. And then for the basket, I just added an oversized large navy candle and then put some of this lamb's ear down. I love the way everything turned out.